AI is screwing over most founders right now, and they don't even know it. They believe they are using AI because they made a workflow agent that follows a script like a trained monkey. A strange question from a user. They spend days turning useless output into something useful, or they pay designers or analysts thousands of dollars just to make the data look nice. But it's really sad. I have made business worth 9 figures by seeing the real leverage points that other people miss. And the biggest one that is everyone can see is the true agentic AI is not workflow or chatbot. It's adaptive intelligence that plans, acts, observes, iterates, and responds with interactive visuals that you can use to make money, close deals, and beat your competitors. You can make apps like Claude Cowork in less than 10 minutes with Thesys Agent Builder. There are only agents that think for themselves and split out charts, tables, slides, and reports that you can click on, drill down into, and act on right away. If you are still making scripted toys instead of real softwares that wins, you are missing out on a lot of money. And as a founder, you look at a lot of data, sales spreadsheets, marketing reports, and files all over your Google Drive. You need insights right away, not tomorrow, not after you hired a data analyst, but right now. Back in the day, you could plug into an AI tool and get back paragraph of text. You did scroll, squint, and try to figure it out, but half the time you would not see the big picture. Or even Ross, you did make an agent that works on a workflow and follows set path like a robot on rails. It goes off the rails when the users throw a curveball. Stop does not work. That's not an agency, this is a puppet show with a script. But what if your AI could make it on plans to do something about it, see what happens, and make change as you go? No strict workflows that keep you stuck, just smart intelligence that can change. And that's the change we are talking about. And when it answers, it's not just send you a lot of text, it sends you an interactive UI that pops. You can zoom in on charts, sort tables with a click, fill out forms, and then let you learn more and have report and slides ready to show. And that's what they call it, generative UI. I call it the best way to get things done in the future. And let me tell you a true story. A few months ago, I was giving advice to a startup founder named Mike. Mike runs a marketing agency and has to keep track of client data from all over. He has Google Docs full of notes about campaigns, spreadsheets that keep track of how much money is spent on ads, and folders in Drive that are full of performance metrics. His team was in over their head. They would spend hours getting inside by hand, turning them into visuals and pitching clients. Alex, he says, I need something that will process this data and show me the wins without any trouble. I told him about the Thesys Agent Builder. At first, I was skeptical like most smart founders are, but he did it anyway. Mike made his first agent in less than 10 minutes. He connected his Drive, uploaded his files, and told it to analyze these campaigns, spot trends, and show me visual insights. No need for degree in engineering, no set flows. The agent got to work by figuring out what data to pull, processing it, looking for patterns, and improving it to show the outlines. And boom, here's come an interactive dashboard, a chart that shows spike in ROI by channel, a table that shows conversion by demographic, and cards with important points that you can click on to learn more. Not words you read, but a UI you use. Mike clicks on a trend line, goes deeper, and finds out why email did better than social. He sends out a slide deck in seconds, pitches his clients the same day, and close a 50k upsell. And that's not a lot of talk, that's what happens. Mike is not the only one. Indie developers are using this to make prototypes of apps that feel like real softwares. KXOS as large companies are using agents to turn raw data into board-ready visuals without having to wait for IT to catch up. Mike Agency and others are white labeling them for clients and charging extra for custom AI solutions that take only a few minutes to set up. Sales teams are putting them on websites so that potential customers can try out demos that change in real time. And growth hackers look at user data in real time and use dynamic charts to find churn risks before they affect the bottom line. And why this works so well? Because most AI builders today are playing checkers, but Thesys is playing chess. They are caught in two traps. First, the workflow curse. You have to plan out every step ahead of time. User asks something that's not on the script. Agent freezes up like a deer in headlights. Second, hell with only text. Text goes in, text come out. It's like trying to understand a painting by reading about it. Not fast, not interesting, and not useful. Study shows that 83% of users prefer interactive UI because people are visual creatures, fitting in images, not words. And Thesys changed the story. It gives people real power, set limits, define the goal, and let the agent loop, plan, act, watch, and improve. It's alive, changes, and can be stopped. With generative UI, every response is visual and can be acted on. Send files, it looked at data, combined it, and shows insight in tables and charts. Want to turn Google Docs into slides? Agent make the structure, pulls out the important points, and make polished decks that you can change right away. Make reports from data, it looks for pattern, improve visuals, and produce something you did pay for designer to make. You could also make a visual summary summary of your whole drive, including folders, files, and trends, all in interactive cards that you can explore like a digital mind map. And what about personalization? It's very easy. Choose your theme and add your brand colors to it, and to make it feels like it's part of your app or site. Tell it how to greet users, start conversations, and think about problems. No jargon, just simple English prompts. Then you can publish it to a URL, embed it anywhere, or share editable copies with your team. Work together in real time and make changes quickly. And what about outputs? Not static junk, but dynamic artifacts like reports and slides that you can get when you need them. And I know what you are thinking, that sounds great, Krrish, but is it really that easy? Yes, of course, no code means no limit. If you are a solo founder, this puts you on the same level as the tech giants. If you are in sales or marketing, think about agents who do demos, use interactive forms to qualify leads, and close deals with personalized visuals. New business, make prototype MVPs that improve investors. Agencies give you clients on a large scale without hiring a lot of people. But don't believe me, Cloud Cowork is a really interesting tool, don't you think? It got through because it is agentic and not scripted. It processes data, make presentations, and change without set paths. People really love that loop. Now picture putting something like together or even better in just a few minutes. Thesys adds generative UI, which makes it not only smart but also useful. Insight or not hidden in text, they are right there, interactive, and speed up decisions. And too many business owners waste time on tools that are not fully developed. They chase after shiny things, waste money, and end up back when they started. And this is not it. This is a category killer, a new way to make apps that feels like magic but actually make money. Quick minutes until launch, simplicity, it's possible for anyone. What are the outputs every time? Professional quality. And if you really want to use AI to grow, stop being okay with being average. Get started with Thesys Agent Builder for free. Make your first agent right now. Look at those files, see those insights, and see how they change things. You won't believe how much easier it is to make your life. If you're ready to do the hard work with API, check out Thesys AI. Also, I have added a link in the description. Definitely go and try it now. And if you have any questions or queries related to Thesys AI and you can this video, then definitely let me know in the comments. And before going, hit that subscribe button and that like button too. And if you want to learn more about AI video like this and AI tool like this, then definitely watch this video now.